Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure the iPad is updated and the app you want has widget support, because otherwise nothing will appear. Once done, touch and hold an empty area of the home screen to enter jiggle mode. This speeds access. Tap the plus icon at top left, browse or search for the app, select the widget size you prefer, small, medium, large, then tap Add Widget to place a preview on your screen. Next, focus on customizing the widget so it shows the data you need. This is why you chose the size. Drag the widget to the exact location you want, home screen or today view, and long press it to reveal Edit Widget when supported, where you pick accounts, lists, or data ranges. If you need multiple widgets, drag one on top of another to create a stack. Then swipe through or enable Smart Stack Suggestions to finish, tap Done or press the home gesture to exit jiggle mode, then tap the widget to confirm it opens the app or shows live content. This verifies functionality. If you want to remove or replace it, long press and choose Remove Widget. If the widget is blank or stale, first force quit the app, restart the iPad, and update the app. If that fails, remove and re-add the widget. This simple refresh fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.